Hey guys, my name is Vishwas and welcome to a brand new series on Angular component interaction. Components are pretty much the building blocks of any Angular application. You start off with a root component and create additional components for different parts of your application. Although each component serves a specific purpose, the components may sometimes need to interact with each other to get the job done. In this series, we are going to take a look at some of the common scenarios in which components interact to share information. We will take a look at a single component which consists of a class and a template. The class interacts with the view through an API of properties and methods. That is going to be our starting point. We will then turn our attention to child and parent components, how the two interact with each other. Finally, we will also take a look at communication between components using services. To make the most out of this course, in addition to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it is essential that you have a prior knowledge of basic Angular concepts. If you aren't quite there yet, make sure to go through the Angular tutorials on my channel to get a basic understanding. Alright, in the next section, let's get started by focusing on the interactions between a component class and its template.